My cousin is pregnant, and she's 27 weeks along. And the one on the left is the baby she's pregnant with now. The one on the right is her 1-year-old son, who she was pregnant with at 20
What videotaping me?
Big difference.
Oh well.
It's huge!
Wait, this one's this week?
This one is this now. This one was a year ago.
I just really think it's like 10, 20, 15. So I don't see the point. Like little things. So I'm here to talk about, I'm like, I know this already.
What bracelet do you have?
I have black. Oh, black. I left it in the room. Oh, and I didn't know to put it on, so get it going.
Are you filming? She's filming my funny faces out of water. The tears out of my eyes.
You should go like this.
Y'all gonna get tagged
What?
on Facebook.
Oh, you're lovely.
No more. I'm done. Call my lawyer now.
No more.
Wait, I don't think I have one.
You don't have
I'll
a
get my
lawyer.
brother. He'll
Your
make a good
brother
lawyer.
is 11.
Okay, I meant the younger one, and he argues
It's
about.
PJ! Hey!
You stalking us again?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
always.
Stalker.
When we go to Alabama
You need to
next
go to
month-
Alabama. It's a felony now.
Yeah, you can't stalk people in Alabama. Yeah.
Yes, it's a
It's a
felony in
felony?
Alabama.
Yeah.
Stalk
Now
somebody.
it is.
Holy smokes.